I'm going to test the efficiency of this DeWALT Cyclone dust collector using a cordless vacuum and a kitchen scale. We'll measure the weight of these dust. Let's zero out first. 171 grams. Then, let's do it. And before the test, I'll show you there is nothing inside. One continuous shot. It's an empty bucket. Very easy to use latch, and wheels rolls great. Okay, let's do this. I'll set this to the maximum suction power, and you can actually see what's going on in this cyclone, right? I think we've got everything. There's a core management. Still, we got a little bit of dust here in this cyclone. Okay. Now let's measure. It's hard to get everything, but that's most of it. Let's zero out again. Okay, 0 grams. 169. That's good results. Let's see this one. But it's really, let's see if it adds up. No, it does not. Perhaps I still have some fine dust left in the dust bin. Okay, so 169, not a bad result. Okay. So again, yeah, I think I can highly recommend it. Very easy to use, and especially if you mod it like this, it makes it so much more useful around the house. So you don't have to be connected to a large shop vac. And the cordless. This is what I used to do to prevent clogging, and of course it will sacrifice suction power. lots of sawdust accumulated in that area. Let's try this one with the Cyclone. Take a look. Really not much. Just one piece of plastic. And over here. Okay, most of the stuff end up here, of course.